Today, I want to share with you the easiest way that I know to memorize the notes on the guitar neck on the fretboard. Step one is memorize the whole sixth string. Okay, there's no easy way around this. We just you just have to memorize those seven notes. Go through one by one, going up from 0 to the 12th fret. Count and saying the notes to yourself, right? E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Then start going backwards and mixing them up. And then just randomly putting your finger on a fret, right? 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, any fret, and then start counting backwards or forwards from there. Or just put your finger on and name the fret. Once you memorize the notes on the sixth string and step one is complete and you can randomly touch them, you automatically will know the notes on the first string because the first string and the sixth string are the same. We're going to relate the fourth string to the sixth string. Let's start from the E here, the open E. Put one finger on the sixth string, go two frets over and put the other finger on the fourth string, and those notes are the same. And this applies along the whole neck, the whole fourth string. So put first finger on any fret on the sixth string, put your third finger two frets over on the fourth string, and the notes are the same. All right, and step three is memorizing the fifth string. So this is the other one. There's no way around it. We have to just memorize it. Fifth string relates to the third string in the same way that the sixth string relates to the fourth string. See? So there is a method to it, and there's a quicker way to figure it out. So once you know the fifth string, you know the third string. And again, you're going to play around with it, spot check yourself. So you're going to put your first finger on any fret on the fifth string, skip a fret, put your finger on the third string. And that's the same note always, all the way up, all the way down, same thing. So this is how it relates in the same exact way that the sixth string relates to the fourth string. You can relate the second string to the fourth string in the same way that we related the sixth string to the fourth string and the fifth string to the third string. The fourth string relates to the second string. It's only slightly different. You skip two frets instead of one. You put first finger on any fret on the fourth string, skip two frets, put your pinky or your third finger, however your reach is, on the fret on the second string. So first finger on the fourth string, skip two frets, put your finger on the second string, your pinky on the second string, and that's the same note always. So D, E, F, G, A, and B. So there you go.